Welcome to the active listening training. Let's begin the training with the help of a scenario. David is in a meeting with his coworker, Sam. David is sharing his concerns about a project with Sam. As David speaks, Sam does not take any notes. He keeps checking his phone and laptop. At the end of the conversation, David wonders if Sam really understood his concerns at all. Did Sam listen to David carefully? How can he become a better listener next time? These are some of the questions we will address in this training program. At the end of this training, you will understand what is active listening, what is its importance in our workplace, and how you can become an active listener. Active listening refers to the act of mindfully hearing and attempting to comprehend the meaning of words spoken by another person in a conversation. Active listening is one of the most important skills you should have. It encourages optimistic attitude, healthy relations, and better decision-making in an organization. Having understood the importance of active listening, let's now understand some techniques which we can use to become an active listener. Always pay attention to the speaker. Face the speaker and maintain eye contact. Put aside papers, books, the phone and other distractions. Give the speaker regular feedback. Just nod and show your understanding through appropriate facial expressions. And an occasional small comments like, yes, or When you don't understand something, don't interrupt. Wait until the speaker pauses and then ask the clarifying question. As a listener and a leader, you need to be open to new ideas, new perspectives and new possibilities, even if you have strong views. Suspend judgment. Hold your criticism. And avoid arguing or selling your point right away. Rephrase and summarize the speaker's ideas. This will help creating an atmosphere of mutual understanding. That's it in this training. Let's summarize what we have learned. Active listening refers to the act of mindfully hearing and attempting to comprehend the meaning of words spoken by another person in a conversation. Active listening leads to optimistic attitude, better decision making and healthy relations. Some techniques which we can use to practice active listening are paying attention to the speaker, giving the speaker regular feedback, waiting for the speaker to pause to ask clarifying questions, keeping an open mind and rephrasing and summarize the speaker's ideas.